Hello, myself Virendra Shaktawat. I am heading shipping and logistics for our NR business of Adani Group, which covers mainly ICM, coal mining, copper business and other businesses. Today I got an opportunity to visit the university. Mukesh Parikh sir invited me, and it was really exciting for me to meet him after so many days, and it was good opportunity for me to meet the MBA second year students of Adani University. They are all, I find them very interactive and excited team. It is good concept wherein it is not being only thought of all theoretical knowledge to students, but they are also being familiarized with the current industry practices, innovations and all. And I came to know through Parikh sir, they are all calling all various experts and trying to get insights of present practices and all to these young brilliant students. So I wish good luck to all, and I again thanks for inviting me and giving this opportunity. Thank you.